This 2020 Jayco Eagle HT 264 BHOK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Jayco is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 8, awning, air conditioning, DVD player, Colorado detector, water heater, oven, refrigerator, slideout, smoke detector, skylight, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Eagle HT 264 BHOK is 7,410 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.